Nature is very important for our life. Forests give us fresh air, clean water, food, and shelter. Trees help us to breathe and live a healthy life. Animals and birds also depend on forests. Some people understand the value of nature and work hard to protect it. They do not work for money or fame, they work with love and care for nature. This lesson tells us about three such people who loved nature and worked selflessly for society.
Tulsi Gowda Van Devata. Tulsi Gowda is called Van Devata, which means tree goddess. She was born in a Halaki tribal family in Karnataka. She did not go to school and could not read or write. However, she learnt many things by living close to the forest. She had deep knowledge of trees, plants, and herbs. Environmentalists called her the encyclopedia of the forest because of her great knowledge. She planted more than 30,000 saplings in her life. She worked with the forest department and took care of plant nurseries. She could identify many types of trees and knew the mother tree of each species. She believed that the forest taught her like a teacher. She loved trees as her own children. In 2021, the government of India honored her with the Padma Shri Award for her great service to nature. Rahibai Soma Popere Seed Mother. Rahibai Soma Popere is known as the Seed Mother. She is a tribal farmer from Maharashtra. She could not attend school because her family was very poor. She started working in the fields at a young age. She learned farming through daily work and experience. She saved many traditional and native seeds of crops. She encouraged farmers to grow local crops instead of using only market seeds. She taught people about organic farming and natural methods. Rahibai is an active member of Kalsubai Parisar Biyani Samvardhan Samiti Akole in Ahilyangar district. She started seed banks and nurseries to protect seeds. She shared seeds freely with many farmers. At present, about 122 land races and 32 crops are under conservation. Her work helped protect food, farming, and nature. In 2020, she received the Padma Shri Award. She was also included in the BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation list of 100 women for her inspiring work for society and nature.
Chetram Devchand Pawar, a pioneer of tribal development and sustainable agriculture. Chaitram Pawar is a tribal social and environmental leader with over 30 years of experience. He has led conservation, sustainable farming and community development work in more than 100 villages across Maharashtra and Gujarat. He has begun with cultivation of 5,000 trees with his own contribution. As an expert member of the Forest Advisory Committee 2015, he helped protect forests, empower tribal communities, especially women, and promote self-reliant development. He has started work from his village, Baripada, in Dhule district with the help of Janjati Kalyan Ashram and now extended in nearby 100 villages from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. He has worked for tree planting, water conservation and forest protection. He helped many villages by building check dams and trenches to store rainwater. Because of this, the groundwater level increased in many areas. Farmers got more water for farming and their crops improved. His work also helped birds and animals to get safe homes. Many forests were saved because of his efforts. In 2025, he received the Padma Shri Award for his valuable work for society and nature.
C. Read the text and complete the following sentences. 1. Forests give us fresh air, clean water, food and shelter. 2. Tulsi Gowda planted more than 30,000 saplings. 3. Tulsi Gowda worked with the forest department. 4. Check dams and trenches help to store rainwater water. 5. Rahibai Soma Popere encouraged farmers to grow landraces crops.
He matched the root words with the suitable prefixes. One has been done for you. Prefix, root word and word present, represent, advantage, disadvantage, possible, impossible, regular, irregular, known, unknown, top, non-stop.
G. Write a short paragraph on trees are our best friends. Trees are our best friends. They give us shade. We eat its fruits and nuts. We get its oxygen in summer. They help us to breathe. They protect us from heat, rain, and storms. We should never cut trees.
What type of books do you like to read? Make a list of your favorite books. I like storybooks. Name of books: Panchatantra Stories, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, The Jungle Book, Wings of Fire, Alice in Wonderland, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Create and write slogans for save water and save trees. Save water, save life. Every drop counts, don't waste it. Conserve water today for a better tomorrow. Water is precious, use it wisely. Save water, secure our future. No water, no life. Save it. Save trees. Save trees, save earth. Trees are life, protect them. Plant a tree, plant a hope. More trees, more oxygen. Don't cut trees, let them grow. Save trees today for a green tomorrow.